Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to easily find CapCut templates. So let's jump right into it. First we go to your browser and simply search for CapCut templates. Enter the first website right here. You'll find dozens of templates right here. Choose one. I'm going to tap on it and then tap on Use Template on CapCut and it will take you directly to the CapCut application. From here just tap on Use Template in the bottom right and choose the pictures. Now let's see how to find templates in TikTok. Open TikTok, tap on the search icon in the top right corner, and then search again for CapCut templates. You'll find lots of them right here. Just choose one, tap on it, and then you'll find this button, CapCut Try This Template. Tap on it, and then tap on Use Template in CapCut. It will take you directly again to the application. From here, tap on Use Template. Choose the pictures and videos you want to be shown in that template. Once you're done, tap on Preview. And if you like the preview, just go ahead and tap on Export in the top right corner. Once you do that, the video will be saved to your device, and that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.